Hello everyone, welcome to our English language. Today we have birds. Let's spread our wings and get ready to fly. Repeat after me and don't forget to pause the video. We will birds will fly up high. We are ready, we will try. We will learn and flap and fly. Let's begin, we'll reach the sky. Let's have a look at the screen. You can see two birds. This is a phoenix and here is a hummingbird. Tell me, please, which bird is real and which bird is not real? Yes, the phoenix is a mythical creature and the hummingbird is a real one. If a bird is real, we can observe it, study and explore its habits, learn where it lives, what it eats, and this is a science. And how do you think what we will talk about today? Yes, the theme of our lesson, science and birds. Today you will learn two important things. First, you will determine the meaning of new words based on context, and second, you will learn how to use topic-specific vocabulary and adverbs to describe the bird and its habitat. Birds are the symbol of freedom and independence. In the weekly quote of the program г.Атбасар, it is said, "Independence is not only a sweet word, but also a national responsibility. And we should be free and responsible too." Please direct your attention to the screen. These are new words for today. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Owl, pelican, parrot, hawk, bluebird, swan, pigeon. Scan the QR code, download the colorful card, and write the translation of the new word. Every bird has its own home. Every bird has its special places. Look at these phrases on the screen. In the forest, on the city, in the mountains, on the coast, at a lake. Now let's make sentences orderly. Look at the example on the screen. A swan lives at a lake. Look at this letter and assess yourself.
Now we are ready for the next step. It's time to read. Now let's work in groups. Each group has a special task. To begin with, I suggest we divide into groups according to the seasons you were born in: spring, summer, autumn or winter. Scan your QR code to get your group's task. Group Summer, find from the text where birds live. Group Spring, find and read what birds eat. Group Autumn, find and read how birds move. Group Winter, read why birds are important.
Your progress.
We know where birds live. We know what they eat. But how do they move? Let's watch and listen carefully.
An owl flies quietly. A swan swims slowly. A hawk flies quickly. A pelican flies slowly. Now let's make sentences with the other birds. Open your exercise books, compose your own sentences with the adverbs of manner and write down. Assess yourself.
Now it's time for our next task. It's called Feed the Bird. I will ask you questions and you answer in full sentences. Don't forget to pause the video. What does the pelican eat? What does a hawk eat? Does it eat fruit? What does a bluebird eat? What does a pigeon eat? Does it eat a small animal? What does an owl eat?
And now our pair work with AIO. The task is called Find Your Home and Find Your Food. Scan the QR code and answer 2 questions on Padlet. Our rubber owl has prepared 1 question for boys and 1 question for girls.
Let's take a short break and get moving.
Have you ever seen a penguin come to tea? When you look at me, a penguin you will see. Penguins, attention! Penguins, begin!
Right flipper, left flipper, right foot, left foot. Bob your head, stick out your tongue, turn in a circle.
Have you ever seen a penguin come to tea? When you look at me, a penguin you will see. Penguins, attention! Penguins, dismissed!
Now it's time to conclude. You are not just students today, you are scientists. Each group has a special mission. Scan QR code according to your season you were born in. Group Summer, type where birds live. Group Spring, type what birds eat. Group Autumn, type how birds move. Group Winter, type why birds are important. You worked like real scientists. Now let's check what you have learned. We have 5 sentences on true-false. Each correct answer gives you 2 points.
Hello, students. Listen carefully. Number 1. There are about 10,000 types of birds in the world. It is true. Number 2. All birds live only in forests. It is false. Number 3. Some birds come out at night. It is true. Number 4. Penguins can fly very well. It is false. Number 5. Birds help plants by spreading seeds. It is true. Great job.
For homework, you may choose one of the 3 tasks. Draw and describe your favorite birds, write 5 bird facts, or write the essay about a bird.
At the beginning of the lesson, we had 2 goals: to determine the meaning of new words from context and use topic vocabulary and adverbs to describe birds. You learned new words, spoke about birds and how they move. You did it successfully.
Look at this slide. You can see many flying birds. Choose one word about today's lesson. Thank you for your hard work. You were smart, active and creative today. Have a great day and always keep flying high.